I'm teacher Michelle. I love teaching students math. And today I'm going to convince you why algebra is so important. Now, if you're like most students, when you hear algebra, you think boring. You think of all these long lectures where you're just kind of zoned out and you just want to go to sleep. Or maybe you have bad memories of your algebra teacher. Maybe you weren't taught very well and now you have this big, huge pile of homework and you don't understand it and you get frustrated and you start to fail and then you start to feel bad about yourself. And all you're thinking is, why do I have to learn this stuff? This is so boring and it doesn't make any sense. Well, today I'm gonna change your mind. I'm gonna tell you exactly why you need to understand algebra and what happens if you don't now. You might roll your eyes at this, but I guarantee you by the end of this little short video here, you're gonna be convinced why algebra is so important. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. But let's go one step further. Let's say you understand algebra. What happens then? Well, guess what? When you take those other math courses, geometry, trig, pre-calculus, calculus, whatever, you're going to have a much easier time. Okay, you're going to be able to retain the information. You're going to be able to apply it. You're going to be able to use it, and you're not going to have as much of a hard time, and you're going to actually enjoy math a lot more. But let's go beyond that because this goes into everyday life, okay? When you understand algebra, what you're really doing is you're learning how to problem solve. You know, algebra is all about using variables and using equations to model real-world situations and to solve problems. So when you're learning algebra, you're also learning how to think. You're learning how to problem solve, and this applies to everyday life. Anytime you have a problem, anytime you have an issue, anytime something comes up where you have to figure something out, you're going to be able to use those critical thinking skills that you develop in algebra to help you solve that problem in life. So now you might be saying, okay, well, that makes sense, but why do I have to learn algebra to go to like a trade school? Well, guess what? Even if you're going to trade school, you still need to understand algebra. In fact, most trade schools require a minimum 1 or 2 algebra credits before you can graduate. But also think of this when you're dealing with any type of technical issue, whether it's car trouble or electrical or plumbing. You're going to have to be able to understand certain things. You know, maybe you need to know how much pipe to buy at the store, or maybe you need to figure out how many outlets you can put in on a certain circuit. You need to understand basic algebra to help you out in these situations. And if you're going to college, well, guess what? Most, if not all college courses require you to have algebra. Now, some of you might be saying, yeah, but I'm not going to college. I'm just going straight into the workforce. Well, guess what? Even in the workforce, whether you're in sales or marketing or whatever, you still need to understand basic algebra. Anytime you're dealing with data, anytime you're dealing with numbers, you need to understand algebra. So, as you can see, algebra is extremely important, and if you don't understand it, you need to get help. You need to talk to your teacher. You need to get a tutor. You need to do whatever you can to get better at algebra because trust me, it will pay off not only in math but in life as well. So I hope this little short video here helped you out. If it did, please hit that like button and subscribe. And I'm gonna leave some more helpful videos right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.